Hi, I'm Ashley and I help moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Make sure you head on over to my channel for more workouts and recipe ideas.
Thank you for joining me again. This is Clean Eating and Exercises with Ashley, and today you are going to learn how to do a plank. A plank is one of the best workouts you can do. I, like yourself, used to be absolutely terrified of them. I didn't think I could do it at all. I would see people holding them and I'm like, I could never do it. But you know what? I did. And I'm gonna show you the proper form to start with, and then you can take it wherever you wanna go. All right? So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start on your knees. You're gonna go into a tabletop, keeping your hands underneath your shoulders, and then keeping your knees underneath your hips. First, what you're gonna learn how to do is how to hold your core. You're gonna kick your right leg out, lift, and bring it down. Pick your left arm up, lift, and bring it down. And that's teaching you where your body placement needs to be. Bring it in. Kick your left leg back, lift, and down. Pick your right arm, lift, and down. Bring it in. You are going to curl your toes. This is how I teach in my classes every single time to get into a plank. And if you want to check my classes, you go to ashleywellingfitness.com. 30 to 45 minute bar classes, boot camp Pilates. Curl your toes. Lift up. You are going to feel your body going forward. That is fine. You are in between the center of your hand. I want you to breathe. And release down. And as you release down, what you're gonna find is your knees are coming directly under your hips and your hands are still underneath your shoulders, okay? Curl, lift. So if you are doing a workout at home and the instructor is starting to, go side to side, pick up the leg, go different places, release, I don't want you to do that. What I want you to do is to be able to hold that plank. I want you to be able to start off holding it for 5 seconds, and then 15, and then 30 seconds, until you reach that minute. Because what you want to do is when you are going to be going from side to side, lifting the leg, you want to return to this neutral state. Let's do that one more time. All right, how to do a plank. You clicked this video for a reason. This is how you do a plank. Hands underneath your shoulders. Say that first. Knees underneath your hips. Say that second. Curl the toes, lift up. You're going to feel that stretch in the calves. And release. That's it. That is how to do a plank. Like this video if you found this helpful. Comment. What did you think? And make sure you subscribe for more how-to workouts, longer workouts, and then don't forget, head on over to my site, ashleywellingfitness.com, for my live, longer workouts. All right, you have a really good day. Bye.